Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of 10th middle. The topic is combined bending, torsion, and axial loading. Question number 75 from gate to 16 ME02 is a machine element XY fixed at and X fixed at and X is subjected to an axial load P, transverse load F, and a twisting moment T at its free end Y. The most critical point from the strength point of view is option A point on the circumference at location Y, option B at a point at the center of location Y, option C a point on the circumference at location X, option D a point at the center at location X. So uh, when we consider a point on the circumference at location x, then the stresses are then on its stresses are direct stress, okay, and bending stress as well as shear stress due to torsion. Because shear stress due to torsion and bending stress due to transverse loading act only on the circumference. So here all the three stresses will be there. Okay, so torsional shear stress, bending stress, and your direct stress. Okay, so these are the stresses acting on the point on the circumference at location x. Okay, so at now if we consider the center point of location x and also the center point of location y, then there will be no bending on this and there will be no torsion on it. The only stress acting is your uh, stress due to P, that is P by A. Okay. So at the location, at the center of at location x and at location y and at the center, there will be only axis stress. Okay. Now if we consider the circumference of location y, okay, if we consider circumference of location y, then there will be no bending here. Okay, so there will be only torsional shear stress as well as uh, your direct stress. Okay, so the maximum stress will be experienced by the point on the circumference of location x. So answer is option C.